Not up on that car, you know they can do it real well.
Johnny, you want me to
Okay, you're shooting at me, I get it. I know.
I'm gonna go run and get him. Nice.
Hey, stay on there. Need at least 2 guys over there all the time.
There's like 4 here.
Buddy, I'm talking to little man.
Oh.
That's big snipers, watch out. One of them's over there by the...
There's people over there. You see anyone? Can't get a view, huh?
Yeah.
So this is not gonna help.
Yeah.
Wait, hey, who's defending that side?
There's a couple there. At least 4.
2? Yeah. No,
Wait, Tristan,
this side.
you think we can like peek down?
One on that side.
Yeah, I know. Trying to get clearance. Wait. Can you really see under here?
White building! White building! Right at the building!
Come over here, in the window, in your window.
Hey, check through those windows. There's a guy who went in front of our white building right there.
This building?
I don't know if he's still alive or not.
Bro, there's 2 guys behind this building, okay? On the other side.
I got a Thunder Bee.
And there's one in the guardhouse. Copy?
Already like at this building.
Hey, what's on the other side of this building? Can you peek? Like someone peek under this? Oh, it's another wall.
There's a fence under there. We could try to go for the other fence. Unless they penetrated that too. I got hit, so you guys should cover that. Dude, just use a high cap. You're gonna ring out.
I'm not even full on my high cap.
Just use mine.
Oh shoot, no, there's a guy in here that's friendly. I'm moving up, cover me, okay?
Hey, you, stay right there, okay? Stay right there.
Yeah, I'll cut the pie. Tristan, come up here with me.
What?
Come over here, just come around.
There's a guy watching the...
Just stay right there.
There's a guy watching the entrance of this thing. If I go over, I'm gonna get shot.
Just risk it. It is a guy moving up! Right side!
Right side, moving up! Now what do you want to do?
Oh, there's three!
Stay there, okay? Okay, there are three, okay? Stay right there. Stay right there. Nice shot.
I'll have an aid! No name!
I got a grenade, where do you want it? Where are they?
They're right, like, the trench.
They're in the trench. If they're in the trench, don't worry about it. When they get on the fence, then we should grenade them.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna go check.
Stay, stay.
Guy behind this fence!
What's the house?
Shooter!
Get over!
Oh.
Hang on.
One man remaining, go play again. You're right there!
Stay there, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. Coming down.
I see one right here. You,
Yo! Yo!
what?
Hey, damn man, just give my name.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, dude.
It's all good, dude.
Get it, bro!
I'm dead.
I already got. Oh.
Damn man, coming out.
Where you going?
I'm sorry, I didn't see you for a while. Come on down the hall, okay?
Stay there, okay? Good.
You got my back there?
Yeah, they're like got three right there, and the one on.
I threw a Thunderbee over this.
Huh?
I threw a Thunderbee over this.
Oh, you're trying? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
that's why I kind of cleared it.
That's good. That's good. Good job.
Yeah, I dropped my pin. Pin.